Hello everybody, it's Dr. Kevin Connors, and this is a question that we've gotten for years. Can I just buy a programmed Rife without becoming a full patient of yours and doing all the testing? Maybe you don't have that much money. Maybe you're trying to figure out how to be able to best take care of yourself on a little bit tighter budget. Well, even a programmed Rife is still expensive. I understand that. And it may be outside of some people's budgets. And I don't know what else I can do for that personnel. But we often just told people to go to True Rife and buy a Rife from them. Now, I have certain criteria when you're buying a Rife machine. It has to have enough power to be able to penetrate your body. It has to be using light frequencies. It has to be programmable so that I can run the frequencies for my cancer or my disease. And then it has to be hardy and easy to use for a person, not have to fix all the time, and not um, have issues where, it's difficult to actually use and therefore the person doesn't use it. Well, we've settled on the True Rife brand. And you can go to their website. I have no, you know, financial ties to them or anything, but we use those for all of our patients, and that's the ones that I program to sell with my program on, and that's what we're going to talk about here. Because it's one thing buying a Rife machine and then, well, now what do I do? What programs do I run for my cancer? I got breast cancer. Well, what am I supposed to use? Well, with our patients, we test with a cheek swab and do that sort of testing to get specific with their cancers. But I've written Rife programs for 20 years now, and I have specific programs for just about every type of cancer there is. There's a few that I've never seen before and never helped somebody with, and that might be an odd one that I'll have to go back to the drawing board and figure out. But most of the cancers out there I've written programs for, and I'm basically selling program Rife through this. So I want people to be able to get those general programs. Well, they're very specific in one sense too, so that you can run. And my philosophy with using the Rife is that you're using it at night while you're sleeping. Now, I do put on their day programs too for you to use too. So understand you can do it during the day. And we have some patients that are doing it basically 24/7 because they're non-ambulatory. But I want people, if you're healthy and enough to be out gardening or out working with your kids or grandkids and stuff, I want you to be doing that. That's our philosophy of care. We want you to be functioning and doing life and living life the what you're supposed to be doing. So yes, we can program a Rife for you. We need to stay within our scope. We're not treating cancer. This doesn't treat cancer. This doesn't cure anybody. This is not a magic wand. You have to understand those parameters. It's a tool, just like any other tool. You use it correctly and it can help your body. It can help your body possibly stimulate your immune system to be able to fight a disease. That's our idea with Rife frequencies. Everything down to its smallest particles of frequency that's vibrating, energy that's vibrating at a specific frequency. So is cancer, so is any disease. And if you hit it with that frequency, your body can recognize it and possibly destroy it. That's the whole idea with Rife. I would personally never try to treat cancer myself without using a Rife, and my experience with Rife with my cancer has been amazing. So that's why we want to get a Rife machine into everybody's hand who has a serious disease. So we don't want you to be ignorant though. So we want you to do your research either on this course. I put a bunch of Rife videos and I'll be adding stuff all the time to come back and look at it. Also go to our website. There's a bunch of Rife information, and of course in our book there's information on the Rife too. So educate yourself so you're not getting into this thinking wrongly about what a Rife is. So I don't ever want people to be misinformed. That's why we have these educational videos and sites. So with our package, you get the True Rife, the F122 package. Has the F122 generator. That's the Rife machine itself. That's the thing in the center here. It's not the best picture here, sorry. You get the crystal hammer bulb, which you can't see because it's tucked into the foam there, but it's about a 15-inch tube that's crystallized, that's encased in plexiglass, so you really can't break it. It's very difficult to break. You'd have to try to break it. And that's what the treatment comes through. That's what the frequencies are coming through, that light bulb that's then going through your body. You get the Ion Pro Wave, which is a foot bath detoxer, and where you could get different higher frequencies through that water, through that medium. And it comes with a grounding mat. And you get a PC laptop, not shown here. We vary different types of PCs that we can get to be able to program. So it comes with the Rife program, the version 6 program on it, and it also comes with your particular program. So let's say you have breast cancer, you'll have breast cancer folder on the Rife machine. In that folder, we'll have some Ion Pro Wave programs and 7 nightly programs. They'll be listed 1 Sunday, 2 Monday, 3 Tuesday, and so forth, because that's, again, our philosophy. Treat yourself while you're sleeping. You can run those programs during the day, but they're 8 or 9 hour programs. Also, most of them have 1 or 2 day programs that you can run as well. So if you're going to sit and watch a movie or something, you can run the day program. That's maybe an hour to 3 hours long, and you can run those as well. And then it also comes with about 2,400 other programs for just about every different disorder you can possibly think of, and that should be your go-to. Let's say you have a sore throat, you can run the strep program or something like that. Use this Rife. You're never going to wear it out. I have one at home at this recording that's probably 12 years old, another one that's about 3 years old now, and I use it every night. So it's a great tool, and we want to educate you with it. Also on the laptop, we put some educational videos for you to help understand how to use it, to make it very clear for you to use as well. So we're here to pray with you. We're here to talk with you. We're here to educate you. That's what this course is for education. Understand, we're not treating disease or giving medical advice. You need to talk to your doctor about that. So again, I hope this is a benefit to you. Continue to dig into the information, and there'll be links on where you can purchase the Rife through our store. All right, bye-bye.